Hi everyone, welcome to Sodzi Digital. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save Instagram Reels to your phone gallery like this. As you can see, this is the video from Instagram. As you can see, I've saved it on my phone and there is no watermark. So I'm going to be showing you guys three methods, and these three methods work on both Android and iPhone. So let's go back to Instagram. So the first step is to copy the link. So I'll copy the link of the video I want to save to my phone. So copied. So the next step is to open your Safari or your Chrome browser and search snapinsta.2. As you can see, guys, this is the site right here. So all you have to do is to click on paste here, paste the link that you copy from Instagram and click on download. So I'll close this, scroll down. As you can see, this is the video. So all you have to do is to click on download video, download it. As you can see, go to your downloads. As you can see, this is the video right here. So all you have to do is to click on the video and save it to your device. So this is the first method. So the second method is to open your App Store or your Play Store on Android. Open your App Store or Play Store on your Android phone and search Black Hole Splitter. Black Hole. So Black Hole. As you can see, this first app. So this is the app that we're going to use to download the Instagram Reel. So open it. And all you have to do is just to tap on this circle, click on allow paste, and it's going to show ads. So after that, you'll be able to download the video. So let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, so I'll skip it. So I'll skip it now. So as you can see, guys, the video has been downloaded to my phone. So I'll go to my Photos app to check. As you can see, this is the video right here. And the last method is to go to your Instagram app and locate the video that you want to download. And all you have to do is just to zoom in on the video like this and screen record it. That's if you don't like the first two methods in this video. All you have to do is just to zoom in, so it's not going to show anything, and screen record your video. I can't screen record right now because I'm already screen recording this process. So that's all you have to do to download Instagram Reels to your phone without watermark. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace.